What's going on, Mixonites? Nathan here, and today we're going to enhance the look of my Tesla Model Y with EV Base new front lip. All right, you can put this on your Model 3 too as well, but we're going to work on the Model Y today. Matter of fact, big shout out to EV Base for sponsoring this video. You can use my code Mixonite. It'll be down in the description and save 20% off your next purchase. If you check out that site, you may notice that they have more than just body kits on the site as well. So take advantage of these deals and make your car unique. I've been wanting to put a body kit on this vehicle for quite some time, and it hasn't been affordable. And I always thought to myself, if I put this expensive kit on my car, I may want to change it out because I may not like the look. Whatever the case may be, I don't want to spend that money and be locked into it. So EV Base made it affordable for you to put a new body kit on your car and change it out if you ever want to. And it doesn't hurt the car either, by the way. Now, I personally went with the matte black to match my trim. Now, before we get started, it's very important to clean your car thoroughly, especially the parts where the sticky tape will touch. As of now, my car is incredibly dirty, so let's go ahead and roll that 8-second montage and clean it before the installation. All right, so now that the car is clean, we're going to install this front lip splitter. Now, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver and also a flathead screwdriver. If you don't have a flathead screwdriver, you can use one of these. This is the preferred method, but flathead works just as well. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box. So we have this thing unboxed. Let me get this, how you get this thing off? There you go. All right, so we have it unboxed. So here it is. You have all the pieces laid out. You have three major pieces, which is the splitter, of course, 1, 2, and 3. These are the two sides, and right here is going to be the center. Now, it comes with 8 screws. 6 of these screws are going to go into the actual splitter itself, and 2 of them are going to attach to the actual vehicle, and I'm going to show you how to do that too as well. And then you got some extra tape if needed, and you also have these buttons here that's going to go under the car if you don't have them there already. Now, that being said, let's go ahead and get that Phillips screwdriver out, and let's go ahead and place this stuff together like Voltron. I just told my age. So it attaches quite easily. All you do is line up the hose here. All you do is line up the hose here, and you just put it into it just like that, and you put the screws right into there. You're going to have 2 screws once you have everything together, and then at the very bottom, you're going to have 1 more screw. So put those 3 screws together, and you should be good to go. All right, so once you have it together, you're gonna have this giant long piece that's gonna go onto the front of your car. It's gonna look just like this, just in the front. I don't know why I had to emphasize that. Let's go install it. But first, let's go ahead and clean it off, clean off the bumper, make sure there's no dust and debris on there. And we're also gonna take off these stickers as well. So all these red stickers are tape. It all needs to come off before we do the installation. I'm gonna go under this car and take out those screws that I mentioned earlier. All you need is a flathead screwdriver or this yellow thing right there, and you should be good to go. And all you do is just literally pry it off. So you just go in here and you just pull, you use a screwdriver or something, or this tool right here, and just come into the flat, and then it comes out just like that. And then you take the other piece, same concept's gonna apply, and you just take it out just like that. You wanna make sure the holes at the bottom are gonna be aligned, and you're gonna put this right in the center. So it's best to lay down when you do this. You know, you could use 2 people, but you don't necessarily need to. So let me go just move this off of here. Watch out for the ants. And go ahead and put it on there, nice and evenly. All right, so that looks about it. Looks about right. So I'm just gonna slide it in and put a little bit of pressure on there. Evenly distributed. There you go. Like a glove. All right, so we are nice and even and nice and distributed. Let me go to the other side, do the same thing. All right. And from here, we're gonna put the screws in to make sure that everything is locked into place. So you're gonna have two pieces. When you put the things back, look at this random dog right here. Is he walking himself? Anyway. All right, so you have two pieces here. You have this piece goes in first. Let me see if I can do there. This piece goes in first, and then it has a hole in it. And then the second piece is gonna go right in that hole to lock everything in. Here. Well, I mentioned earlier that it's 8 screws, was actually 10 screws. So you have 4 screws here. It's gonna go under here. It's gonna dig into the plastic, but it won't damage or anything like that. Well, actually, technically it is gonna damage it, but no one's gonna see it. All right, so just screw these in. They're not very big, just like this. You can see it like that, boom, boom. All right, so let's go ahead and screw those in. Again, you're gonna need that Phillips screwdriver to make this happen. And I forgot it in the back of the car. 2 screws are gonna go directly in here. So you'll see the screws at the very bottom. It's got little holes pre-drilled into the splitter that allows you to put in the Phillips screws that I just showed you.
Overall, I am quite pleased with this front lip splitter. It's very subtle, not too overbearing. It doesn't look too hard, doesn't look too soft, right? It just fits the car perfectly. And if you have a wrap, it will definitely set your car apart from every other Tesla Model Y, Tesla Model 3. I am really pleased with this. Like I said before, it just flows very well. Again, I went with the matte black on this one. I know a lot of people go with the carbon fiber, but it just wasn't feeling it for this particular car. It's slowly becoming its own thing. If you are considering it, make sure you go to the site, shop around. 20% off with my code Mixon. They won't let you down. They really have really good customer service. Other than that, I will catch you all on the next one. If you have questions, feel free to drop a line. If you like the way it looks on my vehicle, make sure you comment down below and give me a thumbs up. Other than that, catch you on the next one. Peace.